Alright guys, this is it. This is your final chance to enroll in the AI engineering cohort offered by Algocamp. Now in the past few months, you must have already heard about AI engineering. Everybody is talking about it. A lot of companies are actually hiring engineers for this particular role. Opportunities are exploding and salaries are actually going up. But the biggest question still stays the same. Where do you want to actually start? What tools you want to actually learn in order to excel in this particular field? What are some of the concepts that are actually bare minimum? And what are the concepts that the industry doesn't even care about? How you should move forward in a more structured way. And to answer all of these questions, Algocamp has prepared this AI engineering cohort which will actually help you to excel in AI engineering altogether. First of all, we would like to thank you for showing this overwhelming response on this course launch. If you are somebody who is still thinking on whether you want to actually enroll or not, this is going to be your last chance before the course actually starts. If you want to get more deeper dive around what is the syllabus going to look like, what are some of the projects that we are going to build, what is going to be the outcome of the course, there are already some videos on the platform. You can actually check that out and decide whether this course is for you or not. Now, let me also cover some important details about the cohort. This cohort is a hybrid cohort with a recorded first approach, because we also know that a lot of people joining will be working already in some companies, or let's say you are college students, and it becomes really hard for carving out time every week, every weekday, separately 2 to 3 hours for joining live sessions. So that's why we have made it a recorded first approach. But every weekend we are also going to have dedicated doubt sessions and discussion sessions where you can actually ask your questions. We will be learning about some more new concepts in those live sessions as well. The bootcamp is expected to run around 5 odd months, where we will be starting from absolutely basics of Python and move towards production ready AI application building. This is not going to be a course where you are going to just watch lectures, but instead the whole focus is going to be continuously building something, writing some new code and experimenting on things which are actually new to you. You'll be getting dedicated assignments for different levels, right? You'll be getting a lot of industry grade, production ready projects that you can actually start working on and actually debug the issues and discuss all of these things with a dedicated Discord community, which is going to be available for everybody. There's going to be dedicated support as well for asking any questions, getting any doubts clarified on Discord as well as in the weekend sessions. So this is going to actually help you to have a complete overall 0 to 100 kind of like a learning. You are going to understand the concepts, write code, build projects, and learn the complete workflow that real AI engineers are actually using daily in the industry. A lot of people also ask that who are the actual target audience for this particular course? I would say there is a wide variety of audience who can actually use this course to excel in AI engineering. If you are already a software engineer who wants to actually pivot in AI engineering, this course is going to be helpful to you. If you are a college students who are actually learning computer science concepts and who are willing to actually become software engineer, then also this course is going to be helpful for you, because you will be able to apply for roles like forward deployed engineer, AI engineer, software engineering and agents and whatnot. So you can see if you are somebody who is already interested in the software industry and want to learn about AI engineering concepts in a more practical and implementation driven way, this course is actually for you. There are 2 separate access options available. If you're somebody who wants to learn in a bit more faster way, then there is a 400-day access. But if you are somebody who wants to keep on researching, wants to take even more deeper dive, apart from the lectures, apart from the discussion, and give your own sweet time, then there is a dedicated 800-day access available as well that you can opt in for. So that was it for this particular video. I hope you guys are also excited about the AI engineering cohort, right? If you have any questions, any doubts, you can actually mail us at algocamproot@gmail.com. The link for the course is present in the description section below, and you can use this coupon code to get maximum discount on the current price. Please keep a note that this is the final stage of registration that we are actually taking, and post this there will be a course price hike and the course will also start. So if you're somebody who is actually willing to learn AI engineering, this is your last chance altogether. That being said, let's wrap this particular video here. We're going to meet soon in the next set of videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'm Sanket Singh signing off.